everyone. I'm sharing something with you, and it's Curious Store's Royal Monkey. Let's see what's inside.
Okay.
It's Curious Store's and Royal Monkey.
DVD.
Yeah.
Look forward to watching it tonight.
Yeah, but look at the back.
Okay. What else?
A book.
Turn around. Yeah, I'm going to read that to you for bedtime.
Yeah, but I'm not watching the movie.
It's the book. It's the class book. Oh, another book.
Yeah, I can read it.
We're going to learn how to read with it. It'll be one of your reading books.
Because what did that say?
We'll say it later.
Okay.
What is that? Oh, that's just the card. That's the promo card from Universal. Thank you, Universal.
Thank you, Universal.
Oh, isn't that cute? Let's see what it is.
It's a monkey.
Like a binky. Little
Yeah,
monkey.
And this is like a dress. A dress, I think.
Okay, let's see what else.
Wow, that looks cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
And then I think you have one little card that's the soundtrack.
Nope, I just have these.
We won't be eating those tonight.
And this.
Popcorn.
And
Skittles.
2 Skittles.
Your brothers will get those.
No, I mean these.
No, not all of those.
I mean one.
One piece.
Yeah. And let's watch the movie of it.
We'll watch it right now.
Okay. Bye, everybody. Enjoy
Well-
my video.
Yep, and we're going to watch the movie.